Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Kassa brand Blackboard sticker off of Amazon. This bad boy is supposed to be 8 feet of fun. I am looking forward to creating a unique little play space for my daughter using this sticker. Come and join me and I will give you guys an honest review on how this bad boy plays out. This guy is $15. It's 8 feet by 17.3 inches, because you know, gotta get that 0.3 in. It comes with 5 chalk and an eraser cloth, so we'll really put that bad boy to the test later and see how she does. The company is called Kassa, at Kassa on Instagram. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. So first things first, I'm gonna have to figure out how much I have to cut off to fit in my space. And as you can see, I am very skilled with the ruler thingy. It looks like I need 44 inches of material. I can build 2 chalkboards if I wanted to. I think it's gonna look really good. I love that there's cut lines on the back of this. This makes life so much easier, especially for people like me who don't wanna use a table for some reason. No, I don't need a table. I'm gonna go right here and I'm just gonna follow this line. I'm just gonna do it. Who needs a flat surface to cut on? My scissors are old and covered in bacon. Oh my gosh. Cut line gasm. Holy moly. Thank you so much for that. So I'll have some remainder for either a separate project or if this one needs a refresh. Looks pretty straight. So I'm going to call in Ali here to help me out because I feel that this is kind of a 2-man job. I'm not really sure how it's a 2-man job, but I do feel that it's going to be. So let's check it out. I think I want to start on this end. Can you come over to this side?
Scoot. Can you scoot over?
Often stickers like this are kind of a first shot situation, so just make sure we're good. All right, so I'm gonna lightly tap, not at the very edge, but just a little bit in. And I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't wrinkle. The wrinkle will definitely destroy the Blackboard shit. Now, I want to be very clear. I feel that this product probably comes with instructions, but I do what I want. So now I gotta peel this guy back. Can you go to the other side? Yeah, at an angle like that. Now pull it out a little bit more because I gotta get rid of this dent that I've created here. So you can see that there's natural creases here. So what I'm doing is I'm going from this end and I'm just smoothing out so gradually, almost in a little line. Underneath here, you can see that this is where the contact paper is. So as I pull it, I'm pulling that away. And that's also getting rid of some of those creases. All right, so this is definitely, I feel, a 2-man job. Sure, you could do it on your own, especially if you were going from top to bottom when your husband is just so helpful. So Ali is holding it out from the wall as I am pushing it forward. Now we're applying this to a cupboard, laminate surface. So it is actually very, very smooth, but any little imperfection I'm already seeing is getting picked up. So make sure that whatever you are attaching the sticker to is very flat. So the material is a little bit forgiving. So if you have to go back, you can kind of peel it off, but I would be hesitant putting this on a painted wall. The sticker is strong. It feels like a tough sticker, so be careful. I'm saying. Maybe read some instructions. Maybe even watch an instructional video. Maybe this could have been an instructional video. I think it looks really good. I'm excited. It applied really well. It's super smooth and it looks crisp. All right, well, definitely a 2-man job, but otherwise this product is really, really cool. And I think that my daughter is gonna have a really great time using this particular little play area that we designed. Definitely a buy. I'll put the link below. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out more of my review videos if you're interested. Thanks.